So, question and answer na tayo ngayon. So, kasi tayo sa kagaling. How are you? Okay, my name is. So, ang question ay yung magagawin sa aking panel ng judges. Magsisimula tayo ay judge number 2. Question ko sa inyo, Miss Ray. Who is the most influential person in their family and why?
Sasagot mo na din ba? Who is the most influential person?
Who is the most influential person?
Ah.
Change their shoes. Your daddy is changing your shoes.
We clean my shoes.
Clean.
Okay, you also clean your shoes. That's why you choose your daddy. Okay, pinili ka muna yung daddy. Okay, thank you so much. Go back to the place. Yeah. Okay, so how about you, little lady? What is your name? Gilan? Gilan, I'm sorry. Okay, listen to the question. Who is the most influential person in your family and why? Who is your favorite, your mom or your dad? Or your mom, why? Bakit mo pinili si mami? Okay, thank you so much. O, pinili daw niya kasi wala siyang limit. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so let's proceed to EG. Grade 1. Okay, are you ready to your question? Okay, ano gusto mo? English or Tagalog? Ano po? Okay, sasagot. Tatanungin ko siya ng Tagalog kasi Tagalog. Okay, sa inyong bahay, sino ang gusto mong lalapitan pag ikaw ay may gusto? Is it your mom or your dad? One. Bakit? Kasi favorite ko si daddy. Si mami. Favorite na tao. Thank you so much, Miss EG. Okay, how about you, Mr. EG? Sino pipiliin? Your mom or your dad? Why? Bakit? Okay, kasi makait daw mo yung dad mo. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. and Miss EG. So, punta kayo na ko sa Mr. and Miss Philippines. Hello, Jacob! Do you know me? Sino ako? Very good, dahil kilala mo ako, ito yung tanong mo. Makinig ka. Ano ang favorite na pagkain na pinaprepare sa'yo ni Mami? Bakit gulay? Kasi? Very good daw ang gulay. Okay, yun sa gulay. Okay, another question. Okay, dito, what is your name? Alira, ano gusto mong tanong ko? Filipino o English? Filipino. Sige. Asa na mami? O yan. So, the same question ko kay Jacob. Anong favorite na food na pinag-prepare ni mami and why? Gulay din. Bakit gulay? Okay, gulay kasi favorite daw niyo. Yun po ang sagot ni Alio. Okay, tingnan ko mga pa yung video. Okay, next number. Number yan. Ano gusto nyo? Magsasapuri ako? Tinawanan na ako. Pero tinatanong ko alam, what's your name? Isa. Family pa rin ang tanong ko. Tagalog or English? Tagalog din po. Sige, natanay ang Tagalogin ko, ha?
Kaya sasabihin ni Jacob.
How was your family
Tagalog o
shaped?
English? Hirap na ang tanong.
Okay, paano ka daw hinubo ng nanay ko? Paano ka pinalaki ng nanay at ni tatay?
English naman eh. English naman ko ang tanong.
Paano ka inalagaan ni mami daddy? Nahihiya daw po siya. Ayan, tinawan. Sige, the same question. Paano ka inuhubog ng iyong mga magulang? Paano ka pinalaki ng iyong magulang? Sino gusto mo, mami o daddy? Bakit? Daddy daw, bakit po? Okay, pinili ko po ang daddy ko kasi po mabait. Yun po ang sagot niya. Okay, let's proceed to candidate number 3-4. Ito na po siya. Hello, grade 4. Okay ka lang natin, okay, so, dahil nasa intermediate level tayo, ang question ko is all about education. Okay, ang question ay magsisimula kay Atina. Sige, why is education important in shaping you today? Bakit mahalaga ang edukasyon para ikaw ay mahubog kung ano ka ngayon? Go! Nag-aaral ka ba mabuti? Bakit? Okay, paano nakatulong ang education mo ngayon sa AGSI? Being a student of Alice Bay School, meron ba kayo tulong sa iyo yung school? Sa paanong paraan? Sige, answer. The same question. Paano ka nahubog ng iyong edukasyon kung ano ka ngayon? What is your favorite food na lang? Adobong ano, itik. Ang ano, bakit adobong ano? Kasi po masarap. Sige, thank you very much, Mr. and Miss. Next po na tayo ngayon sa Thailand. Kumusta? Pwede ka ba sa tanong ko? Okay, so tingnan natin ang tanong kay... How can education help break the cycle of poverty? The cycle of poverty, okay? How can education help break the cycle of poverty? English or Tagalog? Go. Again, how can education help break the cycle of poverty? Go.
Education teaches us how to work, so in the future we could have some money to spend in life, in our everyday life, and it can help us to break poverty. When in the future we can have money, it can break the poverty.
How about you, Junyo? English or Tagalog? Ang tanong ko, English or Tagalog? English din siya. Okay. What role do teachers play in nation building? Again, what role do teachers play in nation building? Go.
Go, Edward! Go, Edward!
What role do teachers play in nation building? The role of a teacher. Ano yung nagawa ng mga teachers sa iyo para ikaw successful? Okay, nag-aral daw po siya. Okay, thank you so much. So, next to Puerto Rico. Hello. Okay, are you ready to your question? English or Filipino? English. Okay, here's your question.